Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix the Outer Worlds 2 game not launching, won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PC. So without wasting a time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart Steam or restart your PC. So just restart your Steam. So open Steam, click on the Steam word and then click on this exit and then launch the Steam again and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If that doesn't work, then simply restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Second solution is to run the Outer Worlds 2 as an admin. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the Outer Worlds 2 game and then click on manage browse local files. Now it will take you to the game installation folder. The path will be C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, the Outer Worlds 2 folder. Now right click on the Outer Worlds 2 exe file and then select run as administrator and see if this helps or not. If not, then open the Arkansas folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Then right click on the Outer Worlds 2 Win64 shipping exe file, select properties and then go to the compatibility tab and then tick mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, then launch the game from here and check if it works or not. This solution has worked for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If it's still not working, then again right click on Outer Worlds 2 Win64 shipping exe file, select properties, then go to the compatibility settings and this time select run this program in compatibility mode 4 and then select Windows 8 from the drop down, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the compatibility tab, this time also select disable full screen optimization option, then hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the compatibility tab and untick all these three boxes, then hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fourth solution is to verify the integrity of game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the Outer Worlds 2 game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. Then go to properties and then go to the install files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification of the files, you can then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fifth solution is to modify the game launch options. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the Outer Worlds 2 game, then select properties. Now in the launch options, type -dx11 and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the Outer Worlds 2 properties. In the launch option, type -dx12 and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the properties, remove the command from the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Sixth solution is to update graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type device manager and open it, expand display adapters, right click on your graphic card driver and then select update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. After this, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then you have to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have AMD graphic card driver, go to the AMD website. If you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to the NVIDIA website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. The links are provided in my video description. So I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this website and once you are on the NVIDIA website, you have to enter your version of graphic card driver here. Then select Windows operating system, then click on find. Scroll down, you have to download and install GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen, click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box, then click on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. This has also solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Now next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is given in my video description. And once you are on the website, scroll down and download both the x64 and x86 version. Download both the version and you have to install both version x64 and x86. So first click on x64. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Then click on x86 version Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then restart your PC once and then launch the game and check if the problem is solved or not. 8th solution is to delete these save game files. But please take a note, you must create a backup of this folder because all game progress and the saved setting will be lost. So to do this, open File Explorer, go to C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see this app data folder over here, then click on this view and then show and check mark hidden items. Then open app data folder, then open local folder, and after opening local folder, right click on Arkansas folder and then copy it and then paste it to desktop first to keep the backup. And after keeping the backup, right click on Arkansas folder and select delete to delete it. Now you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. This has also solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Now next solution is to update Windows. So go to the Windows settings. On the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install it, and then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the Outer Worlds 2 game. So if nothing seems to work, then uninstall the Outer Worlds 2 game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive and then check. So by this way you can easily solve the Outer Worlds 2 game not launching, won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.